This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Aaron Hunt. This 4-bedroom/2 full bath/pool home is located in desirable Jungle Country Club neighborhood. The home offers a nice open floor plan with a large living/dining room combo with a beautiful wood-burning fireplace and built-in cabinets, and has tile/laminate/carpet flooring throughout. 4th bedroom was converted into a spacious walk-in closet and can easily be converted back to a bedroom. Enjoy the Florida sunshine and great atmosphere laying by the pool. Close to Admiral Farragut, schools, shopping and more. 5 minutes to the beach. For more information, review the details below.